At the end of this assignment, you will be able to describe the features of the snipping tool, explain different types of snips, and use the delay feature. The snipping tool captures a screenshot of anything on your screen, like a picture or a section of a web page. You can snip a whole window, a rectangular section of the screen, or draw a freehand outline with your mouse. Then you can annotate, save, or email the image using appropriate buttons in the snipping tool window. The delay option enables you to capture pop-up and drop-down menus as well as tool tips. To start the snipping tool, click Start, scroll down the alphabetical list on the left to Windows Accessories and click. From the drop-down list, select Snipping Tool. In the Snipping Tool window, click the arrow to the right of the New button to see the various types of snips. Free Form Snip. It is used to draw an irregular line, such as a circle or a triangle, around an object. Rectangular Snip. It is used to draw a precise line by dragging the cursor around an object to form a rectangle. Window Snip. It is used to select a window such as a browser window or dialog box that you want to capture. Full Screen Snip. It is used to capture the entire screen. The default setting in the delay option is 0. So when you click New in the snipping tool, the screen immediately dims and you can select the area to snip. With this setting, it is not possible to capture things like scroll down menus. Let us see how to capture a scroll down menu in a MS Word document by changing the delay setting. Activate the snipping tool, click Delay and select your delay time. Let us choose 5 seconds. Now, click the arrow to the right of the New button and choose Rectangular Snip. Then, from the Home tab, in the Paragraph group, click the Borders drop-down menu. Within a few seconds, the screen becomes dim and freezes. You can now drag the mouse to get the desired menu capture. After you capture a snip, it is automatically displayed in the snipping tool window. You may use the various icons on the toolbar to annotate, save, or share the snip. You have reached the end of the assignment. You have learned the features of the snipping tool, types of snips, and using the delay feature.